Hey friends, if Greenshot is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, as per my experience, the main cause behind this issue is interference with other screenshot software products. And the first one is the sniping tool. So, to separate that interference, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab, scroll down to keyboard. You'll find an option here which says use a print screen key to open screen capture. Turn this off. This is the first solution. The second solution will be to go to the apps tab, go to installed apps, and then you can find some other screenshot app. Click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it. Okay, so these are the two main solutions. Now, if this doesn't work, then search for Greenshot in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane and scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair, let it repair, wait till you get a tick here, click on reset and reset its settings, wait till you get a tick here, and if that doesn't work, then uninstall it completely. Then search for store in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Store. Search for Greenshot, the Greenshot unofficial app, and install it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.